Hello, everyone. I'm Sara, your AI guide. Welcome back to a new English lesson with Safar AI, your journey to better English. I'm here to help you learn how to use descriptive language to talk about past events. Let's begin with the key points. What are adjectives and adverbs? Adding adjectives to past events. Adding adverbs to past events. Practice examples with sentences. Summary. What are adjectives and adverbs? Adjectives describe nouns, people, places, or things. The movie was exciting. Exciting is the adjective that gives us more information about the noun movie. I visited a beautiful beach. Beautiful is the adjective that gives us more information about the noun beach. Adverbs describe verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. She sang beautifully. Beautifully is the adverb that tells us how the action of the verb sang happens. He ran very quickly. Quickly is the adverb that tells us how the action of the verb ran happens, and very is the other adverb that tells us to what extent he ran quickly, describes the adverb quickly. The basketball player was extremely tall. Extremely is the adverb that tells us to what extent the basketball player was tall, describes the adjective tall. Notice that the verb in this sentence is was. By using adjectives and adverbs, you can make your stories more vivid and engaging. Adding adjectives to past events. Let's add adjectives to describe this sentence. Instead of saying, I visited a city, you can say, I visited a large historic city. Doesn't that sound more interesting? The adjectives, large and historic, help paint a clearer picture. Here's another example. The hotel was nice. Let's make it better. The hotel was modern and comfortable. Adding adverbs to past events. Now, let's add adverbs to describe how something happened. For example, instead of saying, I walked to the park, you can say, I walked to the park slowly and carefully because it was icy. The adverbs slowly and carefully tell us more about how the action happened. Another example, he spoke. Let's add an adverb. He spoke confidently. Adverbs like confidently, quickly, and beautifully make your sentences come alive. Practice examples with sentences. Now, let's practice together.
Hi, I'm Sam. I want to tell you about my last event. Last weekend, I went to a fun and crowded festival. People were dancing happily to the music, and the food was delicious.
Now, let's answer these questions. What was the festival like? The festival was fun and crowded. Fun and crowded are adjectives for the noun festival. How did people dance? People were dancing happily to the music. Happily is adverb for the verb dance. How was the food? The food was delicious. Delicious is adjective for the noun food. Summary. Let's review what we learned today. Adjectives describe nouns. The weather was amazing. Adverbs describe verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. She danced gracefully. Adding adjectives and adverbs makes your stories more vivid and engaging. The more you practice, the better your descriptions will be. Thanks for watching. Keep learning with Safar AI, your journey to better English. And remember, practice makes perfect.